Dear friend, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are taking the exercise 4.2. Which of the following options is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. So that will be right. Why? Because if we are placing y is equal to 3x plus 5, if we are placing the y value or x value, any value, suppose we are placing the x value is 2, so 3 into 2 plus 5, so y is equal to 3 2 is 6 5 11. If we are placing the y value is suppose 5, so y is equal to 3 into 5 plus 5, that will be 15 20. It means many time of like this will become answer. So here will be infinitive many solution. So saying the why, because for every value of x y will come vice versa. It means if we are placing the 1, then y will become another answer. If we are placing the 2 here, then y will become the different answer. So ever that will be come. Right? Now second question, write 4 solutions of each of the following equations. It means here is a 3 part. I am doing only 2 part, this one and this one. You will be do this at home. So y is equal to 7 minus 2x by the interchange. Here is a plus, so here is a minus by the interchange, or you can write here x also like this. 2x is equal to 7 minus y, so that will be 7 minus, so this is a difficult than this one, so we have written like this. Now draw a box, we will write the values 1 2 3 4 5, this is the x y. Now after equal x is there, then here we will write any value, you can write 0 1 2 3 4 5, so I am writing here 1 2 3 4 only like this. So y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 1, so 7 minus 2 1 ja 2, that is a 5. Now y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2, that's the 2. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, now that's a 3. Now y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3, because 3 is here. So 7 minus 3 2 ja 6 1. Now y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 4, see that 4. 7 minus 4 2 ja 8, so minus 1. Right? If your y will be after equal, then you will be place the first of all y value like this in the question number third part. Write it. Now that second part, y is equal to 9 minus pi x, because x with pi, so we can interchange of that pi x. Draw a box. One, 2, 3, 1 2 3 4. This is the x y. Okay, so y value we will write here. We can write now 0 1 2 3, any number you can write here, no problem is there. So y is equal to 9 minus pi multiply 0 for the value of x. Y is equal to 9, that will become minus 0, pi multiply 0, 0, so y is equal to 9. Now 1, y is equal to 9 minus pi into 1, so 9 minus pi 1 ja pi, so that will be 9 minus pi. Now the value 2, 9 minus pi into 2, that 9 minus 2 pi, 9 minus 2 pi. Now next value 9 minus pi into 3, so that 9 minus 3 pi, 9 minus 3 pi. Now question number 3, check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. So we have this equation x minus 2, x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now this is the x or this is the y. So on the place of x we will write 0, on the place of y we will write 2. So that 2 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So that 0 minus 4 is equal to 4. So 4 minus 4, both are not equal. Both are not equal. So no solution. So that will be no solution. Check with no solution. Or we can write like this also, 0, 2 is no solution. No solution. If these two will be same, in that case that will be solution. Write it. And then fourth part, second part and second, third, fourth part, fifth part you will be do at home. This is easy question. So equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. So that under root 2 the value of x, that is a y. So minus 2 into 4 under root 2 is equal to 4. So that under root 2 minus 4 2 ja 8 under root 2 is equal to 4. So that is minus 7 under root 2, because here is 1. 8 less 1, 7. That is 4. Here is also you are looking not equal. So no. Write this, under root 2, 4 under root 2 is no solution. No solution. Write it. So these are also not, we can write like this, not equal. Write it. Question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So first of all we will write the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. This is a very important question. See that student. Here we will place the value x 2, y value 1. Write it. Putting x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 in equation. Alright, right? So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. So 2 2 ja 4 plus 3 1 ja 3 is equal to k. So 7 is equal to k. It means we can write like this, k is equal to 7. This is the answer. Okay.